Hey guys, Kid Ninja G here, and today I will be showing you guys my Thomas engine collection in case you guys, the subscribers, want to make a request. You can do 8 engines, 16, 32, which is huge if you want.
And you can even do 4 or 2, however those will be like 30-second videos.
Yeah. Anyways, I can't do 64 because I don't have enough engines. Anyways, let's start off. Our first engine is Hero.
Okay.
Next up is Freddy, Mavis, Talking Diesel.
How you could tell he's talking is because he's connected to like a little train car in the back.
Yeah. Diesel, Royal Spencer.
You could tell by if I go ahead and zoom in, there's like little royal stripes or whatever.
Snowy Spencer, you can obviously tell.
Okay.
And regular Spencer.
Mm-hmm.
Crash and Repair Diesel 10. Ryan. Old Toby.
And new.
New Toby with the modified wheels. If you guys hear me going with new Thomas or new Toby or Charlie, it's because they have these types of wheels that can go higher in elevation, unlike Mavis or the old Toby,
who have like more flat wheels.
Yeah, and can't do go up in higher elevation. So yeah.
All right.
New Toby. Did I already say that?
Yep, you did.
Okay. New Charlie.
Okay.
Old Charlie.
There's a bit of a difference in like paint job or whatever.
Yeah, different paint job.
And then the row of Thomases.
Yes, this will be a long one. Old Thomas.
Yep.
Old Thomas with a new paint job or face.
Something or whatever.
Yeah. Old Muddy Thomas.
Show him it's muddy. Yep, okay.
That is correct. I think this is Boiler Aching Thomas because he's got a red boiler.
That's not boiler, it's like his funnel, but I don't know.
Funnel.
Let us know in the comment section down below what that Thomas actually is, or if it's just like a rare one.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Talking Thomas, as you can tell, he got that little train car in the back. Now we get to the modified.
The original modified?
The original modified Thomas.
I've never used those 2 words in a sentence. Original modified.
Yeah, say that 5 times fast.
No, thank you.
New Muddy Thomas. You can tell that's muddy. I think this is a Thomas Sky High. You know how...
Oh yeah, it came with that one set, I think.
Yeah, the set that we have.
And it shows the, on the side there's like brakes or whatever.
Yeah,
The brakes screeching.
The facial expression is so hilarious. Next, Thomas is Crash and Repair. Next up is Red versus Blue Thomas.
Nice.
Like a soccer game, because you can see a soccer ball.
Or as people would say in Europe or whatever, football.
Yes.
Or anywhere else, I should say. You might want to scooch over so that you can show the rest of the engines.
Yeah. This is Journey...
Beyond Sodor?
Yeah, Journey Beyond Sodor. Thomas, because you could tell...
Is that like oil or whatever?
That or it's coal.
It is a darker... It doesn't even look like a Thomas from here. It looks like a completely different engine.
Yeah. Gordon.
Ooh, okay.
Snowy Gordon.
And if you are wondering why they're missing like their tenders or whatever, we just put them off to the side.
Yeah, they're like
actually they're over there underneath your little
those are cars for like in case we have a draw, like with the one car in the middle. Real Steam Thomas. He's a really powerful engine.
Real steam, as in like when when we power him up, we will you can actually put like water inside of it and like actually shoot out steam.
Timothy.
Okay.
Old Percy. Oops. New Percy. Talking Henry.
You can tell by apparently his tender.
Yep. Henry.
The original, or...
Modified.
Yeah.
Philip. Scruff. Samson. Emily. Arthur. Victor. James and Mike.
I believe you can tell the two apart.
Yes. James, Mike.
And if you're wondering how you can tell the two apart, one of them has a second gold bit on the top.
Yeah.
And the other one, yeah, see.
Flynn.
He's like a, what is he? Like a fire truck engine?
Yeah.
Okay.
Crash and Repair Salty.
Show him the thing that it does. Something like pops out and makes a different face or whatever.
Yeah.
Interesting.
Salty, the old one.
You salty, mate?
Yes. And last, Talking Salty.
Right. And that's it?
Yeah.
And you said you're going to be doing a, like a World's Strongest Engine kind of thing?
Yeah, in case you... I'm only going to do the World's Strongest Engine because, A, it's from you guys, subscribers.
And B?
And B, I like doing videos for you guys, like Hot Wheels, surprise openings, gaming, and now Thomas.
And he might actually be doing more surprise openings later on, featuring a little card game we like to call Magic the Gathering. He might be doing a surprise opening of like packs or whatever.
Maybe.
And we can tell if they're like a rare card or whatever. Maybe. That might come out.
Maybe.
And I could see a bucket of surprise openings for a later video, I presume. Right over there.
Also, over there on the Super Ultimate Garage, in the near future, I will be making the video.
The one-on-one Decide Your Ride?
No, the one-on-one, not the Decide Your Ride.
Oh, we already did Decide Your Ride.
Yeah.
I'm stupid.
Also, like you guys are probably screaming at the screen right now, like on my Decide Your Ride, make the dang video! I tried to make everyone have a car, but I'm gonna still make it, even if
Nobody says it. It'll probably come out in the near future.
Yeah, I assume most of you guys are trying to vote for like the Enzo Ferrari or the
Lamborghini.
Yeah.
Anyways,
guys, thank y'all for watching. Please subscribe. Love the fans. See ya.